So, hello everyone, welcome to Start Smart. So today what we are going to discuss is what we should pack while going to our international study. So, starting with luggage and bags, what I did was I got the suitcase from IT Luggage. It's UK brand, and I got it. I got two bags, and each bag costed around 8,000. And the bags were pretty big. It's the large ones. And if you don't need a bag of IT luggage, you can get a definitely you should get a bag from American Tourister and VIP bags. American Tourister, I guess, have a discount with SBI card and oh yeah. So and VIP bag have a discount with HDFC debit card. So you will get extra discount. Bag from VIP should cost around 5,000 or 5,000 to 6,000. American Tourister would cost you around 6,000 to 7,000, and bag from it luggage would cost you around 8,000 after discount. I'm telling all of this after discount. So IT luggage is you can check the website. This is the website. I got a large bag, and you can see what all things is there in it, with which material this is made. There is this 10-year warranty, so it's a pretty standard warranty. You'll get it with American Tourister and VIP bag as well. So next, I've attached all the Amazon links, but these are pretty old. I would suggest that you should buy an American Tourister bag worth anywhere around 6,000 at least, and you should make sure that it's polypropylene and not polycarbonate. Polycarbonate is also good, but polypropylene is very good material, very hard. And yeah, so coming next to medicines, you should pack all your medicines, and next you need to make sure you have a doctor's prescription for all the medicines. I also took that. Apart from that, because they may ask for doctor's prescription at the airport, and after for basic medicines you should also get a prescription. I don't know, I don't think it's necessary for basic medicines such as Dolo, Crocin, or any Soframycin, Iodex, Vicks, or anything. But if you are getting a prescribed medicine with yourself, then you should get a prescription as well, for sure. With doctor signature and everything should be proper. So as I mentioned, this is pretty old. Like I made it a long time ago. So hand sanitizer, mask, it's not needed at all. But calcium tablet, Shelcal XT, definitely multivitamin. You can get it here. I'm using this multivitamin one a day. It will cost you around $15 to $20, and it has a lot of tablets in it. Along with that, I'm using this fish oil. You can get this as well in the market from Amazon. So currently I'm in US, so you can get it from US Amazon, fish oil, and that multivitamin. Apart from that, you should definitely have vitamin D tablets. So this is a vitamin D tablet which I got it from India. It is Uprise D3. You can get it from any medical. And Safi is a liquid to purify your blood. You can take it with yourself as well. And Zincovit is used for zinc. So these are the basic medicines for people, for students who are going to Canada or any country or a state or an area where there is no sunlight. Then you should definitely have vitamin D tablets. Otherwise, it will lead to a lot of back pain, bone pain, all the difficulties. So make sure you have all the multivitamins and vitamin D, because once you come here, I'm damn sure that you won't be able to concentrate on your diet that much. हमको इंडिया में सब हाथ में मिलता था, which is not the case here. So please make sure you get all the multivitamins. If you are having your diet, if your diet is proper, you are having all the fruits properly, then it's fine. Moving ahead, next is fever, cold, headache. As I mentioned, you can get Crocin, paracetamol, Comiflan, Disprin. You can check. It's basically, I've added all the for dry eyes, skin infection, common cold. You can have a look at this and you can get it if if you think it's necessary. Basic first aid stuff are band-aids. You can get band-aids over here, but it's just that it's a little costly, not much. as there is a habit of converting from dollars to rupees and see how much it is. So it's better if you get it. Electronics, what you should pack in your bag: power bank. It's definitely necessary. If you're going to US or Canada, the flight is going to be very long. It's going to be around 15 to 16 hours. Apart from that, power bank is very necessary. Trimmer, I would say it's expensive here. Like it's $20, 15 to 20. It's not that expensive, but when you're not earning, you'll definitely think about it and you'll convert it into rupees, which seems pretty expensive. Trimmer, yeah, charger and cable you should definitely get here. It's expensive. You won't get Chinese product easily, or not on Amazon or anywhere. It's best to buy original from India and get it from here. And then you should get a India to US converter or a worldwide converter, whichever works best for you. And then you should get a hard spike guard. I would definitely recommend a spike guard because it has helped me a lot. Right now I have connected spike guard. And get a kit which has all type of charging cable. If you will see this, I'll show it to you. It's basically there is something wrong with this, but I'll attach the link to the description. But you should definitely get a basically this is what I'm talking about. It has charging cable adapters of all types. I'll show it to you. And apart from that, you should buy iPhone cases. I mean any phone cases, screen guard for your devices because it's expensive here. As I mentioned, if you're not owning, you won't like it's very difficult. Like you won't think about spending your money on these kind of things. So it's better if you get it from India, which is only cost around 100 or 200 rupees in India for any mobile cases. And this is what I'm talking about. It has all the wires, all the adapters. It is USB, there is type C, the lightning cable type C. So basically this is a small box and I will add the link for it in the description. External storage, I would recommend it because I need it right now, but I don't have it with myself. I'll have to buy it. So it's better to get a external storage because your laptop storage might get full. It's not necessary. It's subjective. USB, it's subjective. I didn't. I mean, it's been a year for me. I don't need USB at all. I didn't need it even once. Laptop sleeve is very important. I think while traveling in the airport, while traveling in flight, we like my laptop got damaged because of this, because my bag was fully cluttered. There was a lot of weight in it, so my laptop got damaged in that. TWS earphones, it's subjective. Smartband, it's totally subjective. Speaker, I would say to get a speaker, or you can buy it over here. It's around $20 to $30 if you need to get an Alexa. And tablet, microphone, you can just check it out. I think it's useless, not that important. Utensils, food and spices. This is a very important section. Everybody should like focus on it. It's खाना ही सब कुछ है basically. When you arrive in a new country, अगर खाना बनाना नहीं आता है तो you should definitely focus on this. You should definitely get ready to eat materials. Company name is MTR. It's a good company. I've used it. You can get things from MTR. Apart from that, you can get Maggie. Maggie you won't get here. So you should get Maggie. Popcorn you can buy from here, or you can get it from packets, small packets. And then water bottle, tumbler. I haven't used tumbler, but you should definitely get water bottle. Water bottle is also expensive. Um, Dals you can bring. Make sure you don't bring any kind of powder like white powder because they get suspicious of it. Talcum powder you should never get it because they will throw it out and they will be suspicious. Other than that, for utensils, cooker is a must. Bring a 3 ml, 3 liter cooker or 5 liter, depends on your, it's subjective. Oil dispenser, I don't think you would need it because you can just put it from the bottle. Kadai definitely, microwave bowls definitely. Roti box, nah, because we don't keep roti. सेक के हम लोग रोटी रखते नहीं है बाद में खाने के लिए. We eat it on the spot, so I don't think roti box is necessary. Chakla belan I don't think is necessary at all because nobody has the time to like do balan and make chapati for yourself. Chimta definitely necessary. Whisker is necessary. Spoon, fork, butter knife is not necessary. Spoon, fork is necessary. Bring four spoon, four fork, and ladle set. You can bring it. Cheese grater. You get sliced grated cheese over here, so it's on you if you want to bring it. Induction make sure all your utensils are induction safe. Like here a lot of gases are inducted, so non-stick pan, induction pan is very important. Like I told you, यहाँ पे gas नहीं है जो जलता है. Every apartment में usually there is induction or a mix of both. So make sure it is induction, and it's non-stick. Non-stick is very important. It saves you a lot of time. And tea vessel is very subjective. Back clips you can get it over here cheap. It's cheap, but still you can get it from DIY in any mall. Scrub, yes, I would definitely recommend it. Bring scrub. Lime juice extractor. You would directly get extracted bottles of lime juice, but I would recommend you can get glasses. Is very important. Very, very, very important. Your glasses are, yeah, I mean, bring steel glasses, bring steel plates, bring microsafe oven glasses, microsafe oven bowl, microsafe oven plate. Because anytime you would basically, here in other countries, basically what students do, they make food for 2 to 3 days and they then store it in the fridge, and then they basically micro and 8 for 30 seconds or 1 minute. For that you need something to put your food in, so that's what you need. You need microsafe glasses, then plates and bowl. Yep. And masalas, very important. You will get masalas over here, but not all masalas, and they are expensive. तो गरम मसाला, चिली पाउडर, कोरिएंडर, धनिया पाउडर, जीरा पाउडर, हल्दी, जीरा, everything, methi, hing, tea also you'll everything will get, but it's expensive. Kasuri methi, jaggery tea, methi, ajwain, everything you can get it over here, but it's expensive. So clothing accessory very important. It depends from area to area, coast to coast, location of the university, but still I would recommend this as the most basic. Undergarments 12 to 15 pairs. Warm bodysuit, that is the thermal wear, 2 pairs. Towel 2, definitely. Napkins 3 to 4 should be enough. Handkerchief, it's subjective. Casual t-shirts, there are different t-shirts. To wear at college, 5 to 8 is necessary. To wear at night, I would say 3 to 4 is enough. Casual t-shirt for gym, if you go to gym, then 3 to 4 you can repeat it, or you should have 5 then. Sweatshirts, it's totally upon you. Minimum should be 2. Shorts, 5 to 8 definitely. Winter jackets, I would say 1. One a proper puffer jacket and one normal India jacket, I would say 1. That is enough. Bottom wear jeans 3 4. 4 jeans and 1 chinos or 2 chinos, that's it. Sweatpants, I would definitely recommend 3 to 4. Formal pants 2 to 3. Actually nowadays all the interviews are online. You will need formal pants for career fairs, so 2 to 3 is enough. For interviews 2 to 3 is enough. Shorts, I would recommend proper shorts. If you want to wear it in gym, you want to wear it as at night, so 6 to 8 I would recommend. Special wear suits, it should be 1. Traditional, I would recommend 3. There is Diwali, Navratri, Ganpati, and all other Indian functions or festivities. So I would recommend 2 to 3. For boys, it's very thin kurta. For girls, you should, like, if you are increasing one, you should make sure you have space in your bag. Raincoat or umbrella, again, it depends on the location of the university. If it's Seattle, I'm talking about US. If it's Seattle, it rains almost all the time of the year. So umbrella is definitely recommended. Umbrella here is expensive. Footwear, formal shoes, definitely carry one. I have seen many students who forgot to bring the formal shoes over here. Definitely bring a formal shoes, a sport shoes, and a flip flop. Yep. Accessory, usually people have 2 flip flops over here, one to wear it at home and one if they're just going for a walk outside. Otherwise, one flip flop is fine. Accessory belt definitely two belt, one cap if you want. Wallet, make sure you have two wallet. I would also add a card holder over here because no one use cash over here. So I would recommend rather than bringing wallet, you can bring card holder, like a thin wallet, or a just wallet, or just a card holder. Sunglasses, I would say two pair or one is fine. Perfumes, socks, winter socks depends on the location. Beanie is very important if you have a cold weather. Hand gloves is very important. Now coming to personal hygiene, these you can just read it out and you can add it whatever you needed. Others, card and document wallet, it's, I think it's very important. Passport case not so important. Travel pillow, I think very important. Small, no. Dark color bed sheet is very important because we tend to make a mess out of bed sheets. Or if you are eating it on our bed, we tend, I mean, usually just to be on the safer side. A brush, like वो घिसने के लिए कपड़े, you will need a brush if you want it. This is not necessary. People already have it over here. Airtight container, I think it's very necessary. You can get it over here, but again, you'll have to spend it. So try to bring an airtight container. You can put your t-shirts inside and pack it in the bag, so it won't take much space. Spectacles, it's very important. It's around 100 to 200. I mean, it's the basic range. A spectacle cost around $100 to $150. It's very important to bring two pair of spectacles with yourself, and it's very expensive. Screwdriver and entire kit, it's optional. Keychain, it's optional. Medical documents, mark sheet, degree, sewing kit, file holder, document holder, it's very important, very important. So guys, this is it. I don't remember anything that I should add in the list for now. Also, if you have an old laptop, you can buy a new one over here. Electronics is cheaper here, so you can do that. Don't buy a laptop over there. Also, you'll have to carry your laptop everywhere, so make sure it's lightweight and it has a good battery life. Basically a Mac. Otherwise, if you need a good battery life, it will be of some weight. Yeah. So also, I would like to add, apart from luggage bag, that is two check-in bag and one cabin bag, you should carry a very big shoulder bag because you will need it for, suppose if you are attending lecture and then going to the gym directly, then you will have to put your clothes in the bag. You will have to put your tiffin that you will one to two tiffin that you will eat in the afternoon, then you will eat it before gym, and you will put your laptop if you are going to the lecture and then directly to the gym. Basically, your shoulder bag will have a lot of stuff during the college as well. So just to be on the safer side, I would definitely recommend that get a big spacious shoulder bag. It will be definitely useful for you. Another thing I would recommend is carry proper medicine utensils and bags. Like, I think it's the most important. Everybody like packs clothes and everything, but I think medicines you should pack it properly. And utensils you should pack it properly, like what you are going to need. You will need a kadai, then you will need a pan. These two should be enough, and one cooker. These three should be enough. Then get two plates, one steel, aluminum, steel. Other one should be micro oven safe, ceramic or glass, कांच का चलेगा. And yeah, that's it. Get bed sheets, get chadar. If you are staying in a like a colder part of the country, like wherever you are going, if it's colder there, then you can get a comforter from Walmart or anywhere. But yeah, I think tablet, microphone, gimbal, DSLR is not necessary at all. Pack food properly, because I have used MTR in my first semester a lot because it was very hard to adjust here. Water bottle is very necessary. Carry two water bottles. I don't want to extend the video. If you need a more detailed video, I will create another video, but for I don't want to extend it anymore. So I think this will be enough for it. You can go through I'll share this PDF in the description. You can go over it, and if you need any additions, if you need any help, then please add it in the comment section. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.